We made it to Auckland and it's the next day. Thank you, Dad, for picking me up. Oh, I'm so stoked to be here. So we're here at Dad and Lola's house. We're gonna go and take Taco for a walk. Look at him. Cute dog. Whoa, good morning. Good morning. What? There goes your nice interior. Whoops. Resale
And he
Elliot?
just started, he hasn't been molting,
Oh, really?
no, but yesterday he started. We're in the car driving to, oh look, there's another poo right there.
Oh.
Nice one, Taco.
All of the dogs. Woo! Chaos, where's he going? Oh.
So yes, everyone is down here.
Good guy.
Oh yeah, you're the chosen one.
He's like, I'll give it to you because you don't throw it in the water. That's so cute. Yeah, it is a very beautiful day.
Sorry about this, Taco, but we're gonna go without you.
He's like, oh.
Sit. Good boy.
Sorry, buddy.
Sorry, sweetie.
Yeah. Happy looking dog.
Hey?
Happy looking dog.
He's got a smiley
Not so much
face.
longer.
What are we up to, Dad?
What are we up to? What do you think we're up to?
We're going to
We're
Yum
going to Yum Cha.
Yeah.
I
Yum.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
He's so excited.
Hello. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Hi.
I don't think it is.
What?
Hello, puppy.
So we just had a wonderful lunch at Yum Cha. Thank you very much, Dad. And now we're here at Plant Barn. Gonna look at some plants. I'm gonna see if I can persuade Anna to get an avocado tree. 'Cause you guys know I love avocados. What are we looking for?
Herbs is what I'm
Herbs?
gonna do in that back garden.
Aha. That's so cool. What sort of herbs are you after?
I am after parsley, thyme.
There's your thyme.
So I
Oh,
think
sage.
I'm gonna go.
I love that colour.
Beautiful.
So
day.
cool, hey?
So what's the difference culinary wise with a purple and a
I am back.
using stews, sauces and stuffings? May help reduce sweating.
Oh, it's such a nice smell.
Is it?
Love it, yeah. I'm just gonna go and put this in the car.
Oh, smell this. Sit there. Where will we put it?
Take out the lime tree and put it in the
We'll
pot
just bring it
plant.
home and then we can figure it out.
No, take out the lime tree and put it in the pot plant.
Hey, yeah, I mean the lime tree
The
doesn't
lime
do
tree's not
anything.
working.
I reckon if we're going to get an avocado though, we research and we get what we know is going to be a good avocado.
Okay.
Because my thinking is that you can actually get really beautiful heritage ones.
Okay, fair enough. I just want to
An
start
avocado. Let me research it
it. Okay.
and we can do it this week.
Okay. Oh wow, yeah, I can smell it off your
Yeah.
hands from here. That's so cute. Hi Dad. Where are we putting the new avocado tree?
I don't know, wherever Mum wants to put it.
Product placement. Stinky.
Oh, is it?
All seaweed.
Oh wow.
Sea stuff. And it'll be so stinky that he will think, yahoo, let's go and sit in that. Oh, Taco, I knew that he would love that. It's stinky, sweetheart. No. Not drinking that, darling. Taco, no.
He's like, but why, Mum?
Yeah. Taco, no, sweetheart.
We're gonna see if we can fix Dad's car.
Oh, look at that. That's not going. That's it. Oh, pulley's not turning.
Oh, update. Didn't film any of it, but we pulled that little hose off, took the belt off, got the thing out, and then knocked the bearing out. That was fun. I should have filmed it, but it's done now. There's the old belt. That was fun, hey?
Feeling pretty good about that.
Yeah. Better. We tried to turn it off and on, see if it screens on start up again. It's shorter. That's true. Oh. Back to the fan. We really should have done that, hey?
What?
Check to see if any of the other ones were starting to seize while the belt was off.
Wow, that's great.
Oh well. Yeah. Oh, is it locked? Oh no! Oh no!
That's weird.
What? How? Why?
I don't know.
Yay for spare keys! Oh, does it rev?
It's getting better.
Getting better. Beautiful.
200 k's, man.
Good work.
Happy with that.
Same, buddy, same. Good work. Good work. You did good. You done good. What are you doing that for? Exhaust. Today we're starting off with a random adventure. Look at the skate park. Oh, if only I had my skateboard. There's a sick BMX park over there. I'm gonna I bought the drone, so I'm gonna chuck it up and see if I can get some footage. Also parked next to this massive motorway purposely, because I'd love to put the drone up and just get some footage at the motorway. Guess who forgot to do a video outro? This dude did. So yeah, we come to the end of that video. I'm super stoked with the drone footage at the end. There's a couple of shots that were really I don't know, they look really cool. As for Taco, he is such an adorable dog, far out, so cute. And yeah, I'm gonna end the video because as of right now, we are on Dad's boat. And yeah, outro complete. We're on an adventure. Stay tuned for the next couple days where it's gonna be boating, swimming, adventure funness. Cheers.